Bachelor's Way, making secondhand chic. Alright, this chair is just not gonna happen. Okay, we are back in the basement and we're talking about the rest of the furniture that I put down there. Starting with these two pink chairs that I inherited from my mother. What I really liked about them was not the pink covers, but I did like that they swiveled completely around. My plan was to have them swivel so that they could face the fireplace, because we were eventually going to put a small TV there and a PlayStation, but they could also turn completely around and face the big TV to watch movies. So my first idea was to cover them with some kind of like tan fabric that I already had. It was really nice fabric, but once I started working with this really round chair, it just wasn't happening. It didn't stretch right, it was too thick, it just was not working. So I ditched that idea. So my next option, I decided to go with a durable, less expensive option of denim. Which, surprisingly, like the very next day, I got my HGTV magazine and I found these chairs that were in gray denim, almost exact match to mine. Once I had my fabric picked out, it was just a matter of stripping the chair down. I used the old pattern or the old fabric to make pattern pieces for the new chair. This chair had a lot of sewing and I basically had to make a shirt almost and just pull it over the chair. Finished product. What do you think of the before and the after? Next up, the ottomans. No, I did not inherit these. I bought them at a second-hand store. Although they didn't look like this when I bought them, we've used them for a year or so before I recovered them. But time and use enlarged all the rips. Time to give them some much-needed help. I'm loving these new ottomans.